How to block users on BlueSky. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps. And on today's video, we will see how to block users on BlueSky. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the BlueSky application and make sure to log in with your account. If you're already logged in, you will land in your home page. Now, to block a user, first of all, you have to get to that user account. For example, I have this user right here and I want to block this account. So tap on their profile name. That's gonna take you to their profile page. Now once you're under their profile page, tap on three dot icon next to follow button near the profile name. Menu box will pop up in your interface. There you will have an option to block account. Tap on block account. Here it says blocked accounts cannot reply in your tweets, mention you, otherwise interact with you. So once you confirm that, tap on block, and with that this account will get blocked in your BlueSky account. So that's the way to block users on BlueSky, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.